What's up? In today's episode, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to show you how to print some team jerseys. This order is for a local girls softball league in Lexington, South Carolina. Let's get to it. And if you're new, welcome to the AlmighTees channel. We start out by printing the 4-color front on the players' jerseys as well as on all the fan gear. This order consisted of sport-tek performance tees, long sleeves, and hoodies. We start out with the white underbase, which is typically what we do when printing on dark garments. And yes, we do flash print the white even if all the screen print experts say we shouldn't. Then we print the navy next. This is our main key line that all of our other colors line up to. We start by printing this to make sure none of the colors shift before starting on all the other garments. Next is the red. We usually use higher mesh counts when printing colors on top of underbases to keep our flashing times down and the prints super clean. Now comes the orbit yellow, just like the color of a softball. Finally, we do add one last trick. One last quick hit of navy just to bring it all together. Take the jersey off the platen and place it on the dryer belt for final cure. Next we print the team sponsor on the back. Here David is flash printing the back prints for maximum vibrancy and durability. We printed 4 different age groups for a total of 4 different teams and sponsors. After he prints the final white, he will also run the backs through the dryer for cure. Wait, what sponsor is that? Ha! Yours truly, AlmighTees. Now on to the final step, numbers. We use custom cut Caesar Easy Weed heat transfer vinyl for most of, if not all, of our team numbers. We use our hands to check for center and to make sure the number lines up to the shirt and the sponsor logo on the back. We then take the jersey over to the heat press. We use a heat press pillow to avoid having the sponsor make too much contact with the heat press. Then place a Teflon sheet over, just for safety. After pressing for the allotted amount of time, we remove the Teflon sheet, the carrier sheet, and for good measure, press for more time. And that's it. We've just created a team jersey that will last all season, plus serve the wearer for many years to come. Pro tip, you might want to think about leaving the screens up for a few days just in case the league or team has any late registrations, especially on multicolor prints. We hope you found today's video helpful. Comment any questions you may have. Please like, consider subscribing, and if you do, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be alerted whenever we upload new content. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.